so you guys may notice that I'm wearing the same top in my last video thumbnail. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I wear my clothes all the time. I don't have a lot. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 3 organizing levels that will help you determine how to organize your space. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I created this video about 4 years ago, and if you didn't watch it, you can watch it here. And basically, I'll be giving you guys the same information I did back then, but kind of with the refresh, because I kind of changed up the names with the levels so that it's a bit more catchy. Plus, I'm giving you guys a bit more information that will help you figure out which level you fall under. So yeah, with that said, the first organizing level is running, or just functional. That's what I used to call it back in the day. So in this level, you're basically creating a functional space, and that's it. So basically your goal will be to declutter and to create zones or categories in your space. And that is it, which means no organizing products. So this level is for individuals who want to get organized and just don't know how to. I think creating a just functional space is a great way for you to figure out what works for you. Because at the end of the day, when you organize a space, the most important part is to maintain it. And that is it, because if you can maintain your space, you're more likely to keep it that way for a long, long time. And this is why organizing products aren't needed. What you're gonna notice is when you create an organizing level 1 space, you will have a lot of space to cover because there's no organizing products that you need to use, which organizing products take up space, thus become clutter, but that's neither here nor there. That's neither here nor there because you already know that. So creating a just functional space, I believe, is for the majority of people, because before you can get to the level that I'll be talking about at the end, you definitely have to understand how to keep your space that way, and you have to try it out for a while. You have to try it out for a while. So the second organizing level is practical and neat, or working. So in this organizing level, you are doing the same as level 1. So you'll be creating a just functional space, which means you will be decluttering and you'll be creating categories and zones in your space, but you will also be adding in organizing products you already have. So the individuals that fit this level are individuals who have already gotten organized in the past, but they weren't able to maintain the space, because it does take some time to figure out how to maintain a space. You can organize a space once, but it doesn't mean that it's going to work forever. It takes time to kind of work with it, to kind of change things up before you can finally create a space that actually works for you. Like I said, this level is for individuals who have gotten organized in the past. Therefore, they have organizing products in their home, but they just don't know how to keep it that way, or they were unable to keep it that way, which means you are not buying organizing products. This pantry is a level 2 pantry, and there are a few organizing products in here just to create division, and that is it. It's not really an aesthetically pleasing space because, again, aesthetics is not your goal. You're literally just adding what you have, but just because of division and not because of style. So if you're someone who falls into this level, you're gonna work with the space until you're able to graduate to organizing level 3, which is called knockout, or form and function. So basically with this level, you are creating not just a functional space, but also an aesthetically pleasing space. This is a level that most of us feel we are in because we are drawn to spaces that are usually aesthetically pleasing, but a lot of us aren't ready for this space. As you probably know, I am someone who loves organizing products. I do. I always recommend different organizing products to you, but because I'm already an organized person, it's easy for me to use organizing products in my space and maintain my space with those organizing products than a lot of people. But I'm not saying that you can't graduate to this level, because anyone can have this level of organization in their home, but a lot of us aren't ready for it. So in this level, you are shopping. You're going to shop for organizing products that fit your style because you're trying to create an aesthetically pleasing space. Therefore, you gotta buy some products. Of course, you're gonna follow your style. There's no perfect way to do it. It's just according to how you like your space to look, but you are gonna consider buying products that are similar in look and feel and texture and character so that when you create a space, it looks cohesive and it makes sense and it looks beautiful to the eyes, because a lot of us are more attracted to a beautiful space than not, which is why a lot of us like to stray away from level 1 and level 2 and just go right into level 3 without really understanding what it takes to create a level 3 space. Also, if your organizing level is level 3, you do have to stop buying bulk. I said it, stop buying bulk. You don't have room for it. When you have an organizing level like this, because organizing products are the main feature, which means everything that you put in this space needs to fit in the organizing products for it to look visually appealing, as well as help you maintain the space. But because this level is for organized individuals, you probably already know that. You know what it takes to keep your space organized, and your goal really is just to create a more aesthetically pleasing space, which I know a lot of us want that. I know, I get it, but it's not for everyone yet. So if you fall in level 1 or level 2, you do have a chance to get to level 3. It's just gonna take some time. See how level 1 works in your space. See how you're able to maintain it. See how level 2 works in your space. See how you're able to maintain it. And if you feel that you're able to maintain it, maybe for like 3 months, 5 months, then I think it's safe to say level 3 will work for you. But you first have to see, and I know how tempting it is to go out there and buy organizing products. A lot of people believe that buying organizing products is gonna magically get them organized, but it's not. It's not, because at the end of the day, organizing products is just clutter. So my goal for this video was to help you guys figure out what level you fall under, which will help you figure out how to organize your space properly. I hope this video helps. And if you have any questions at all about the different levels, please let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to answering your questions. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.